In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Hostinger 403 Forbidden Error, new 2026 guide. A 403 forbidden message means your browser reached your server, but the server refused access. The good news is it's usually a configuration issue, and we'll walk through a clean checklist to get your site back online. First, confirm your domain's A record. It should point to the IP address of your Hostinger hosting plan. If your domain is managed outside Hostinger, sign in to your domain registrar and update the A record there. After saving changes, remember that DNS updates aren't instant. They can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate worldwide, and it's normal to see the site work in some locations before others. During this window, avoid making rapid changes. Give DNS time to settle. Next, check file permissions. In hPanel, open your website, go to Manage, and use the Fix File Ownership tool. This automatically sets folders to 755 and files to 644, which are the recommended defaults on Linux hosting. In plain terms, these settings allow your site to be read and executed by the server without being overly permissive. Incorrect permissions are a common trigger for 403 errors, so this step often resolves issues quickly. While you're there, make sure your website files are located in the public HTML folder. That's the root directory served to the web. If you just migrated or installed a CMS, files can sometimes end up in the wrong place. If public HTML is empty, upload your site files via the file manager or FTP. Also verify you have a valid index file, such as index.php or index.html, inside public HTML. Without it, the server may block directory access. Now, review your .htaccess file in public HTML. This file controls redirects and access rules. Rename it temporarily, for example, to .htaccess backup, and test your site. If the site loads, the rules inside were too restrictive. Open the file and carefully review or remove directives like deny from all that block access globally and loosen overly strict conditions added by security or WordPress plugins. Always keep a backup before editing so you can revert if needed. Finally, check your access logs in hPanel. Under Analytics, then Access Logs. Look for repeated 403 entries, blocked resources like CSS or PHP files, or patterns tied to a specific IP or user agent. This helps pinpoint whether a rule, a plugin, or a missing file is causing the block. Follow these steps in order, give DNS time to propagate, and your 403 error should be gone. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more step-by-step tutorials.